Hi, Shannon with Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings, and if you've been watching our blogs on Iberostar Cancun and Iberostar Coral Level, we are going to just take a quick walk through the Coral Level, which is the adults only section. So if you come to check in here, this is where you're going to check in. You'll be taken by car to the Iberostar All Ages side first, and then they'll take you by golf cart over here, and this is the lobby for the Coral section, adults only. This is the lobby bar. And then the elevator to go to any of the rooms. Okay, and this is just a terrace area for hanging out. Nice little spot in the evenings, but also a nice place to blog so you can get a full view of everything from up here. So down there is like a little beach bar, and you can get hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff, french fries from that grill. And then this is all the pool area. Plenty of seating. Now, let me walk over here a little bit. So swim up bar. And adults only pool. Most popular spot right there. Really nice though. You can just hang out here and overlooks directly to the ocean. The beach down there is private. It's where the chairs are. Otherwise it's a public beach. And you can see the, let me zoom in on here. These, I don't know if I would call them bolly beds necessarily. Maybe a contemporary bolly bed. Here's one, an example. Yeah, right there. Okay. So those are not additional cost, and you don't have to be an upgraded level to use those. You can just take one if you can get one. So during high season, that is something to think about though. If the resort is at high occupancy, you might have to get down here and arm wrestle somebody before them. Nice spot to lay during the day though, as it does get super hot. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and I am sweating buckets and on fire. So I should be in the pool where it's nice and cool and refreshing. That pool is also heated, which is awesome. And there's more chairs and seating area over there. That is not part of the resort, that deck you see. The resort starts from here and goes over there, and Iberostar Cancun with the family section is on that side. See our other blogs for info on that. So they had like an activity person out here throughout the day doing games and whatnot, music. And then rooms go up. Not the best view, I'm aware, but see our other blogs to learn more about the rooms. But I'm on the 9th floor. If you see my blog for the oceanfront rooms, absolutely gorgeous view. And fabulous way to wake up in the morning. The sun does not set on the side, it actually sets behind, but the sun rises. So this morning I actually was already up and saw the sunrise from my room, my balcony. It was a really cool experience. So if you'd like to know more, contact us at blissfulhoneymoons.com or travelbyblissful.com.